In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a video to AWeber email. If you want your emails to stand out and drive more clicks, showcasing a video is a simple and effective move. A quick note up front, most inboxes don't play videos directly inside the email. Instead, AWeber creates a clickable thumbnail with a play button that opens your video on its hosting platform. That approach ensures a smooth experience across devices and email apps. Start by opening your message in AWeber's drag and drop editor. On the left side of the screen, you'll see a panel with content blocks you can use to build your message. Look for the block labeled Video. It usually has a small play icon, making it easy to spot. This is the tool that handles the visual thumbnail and the link for you, so you don't have to fuss with code. Click and hold the video block, then drag it into your email layout. Move it to the exact spot where you want the video to appear, watching for the placement guide that shows you where it will land. When you're happy with the position, release the mouse. Placing the block where your reader's eyes naturally go can help engagement, and dragging makes it easy to fine-tune its location in your design. Next, click on the video block you just dropped to open its settings. You'll see a field for the video URL. Paste the link to your video here. AWeber works best with publicly accessible links from popular hosts like YouTube or Vimeo, or a web page where the video is embedded. If the link is private or requires a login, the thumbnail may not generate properly, and readers won't be able to view it. As soon as you enter a valid URL, AWeber will fetch the thumbnail and overlay a play button automatically, giving your readers a clear visual cue to click. Within the same settings panel, you can typically adjust simple presentation details, like the block's width, so the thumbnail looks great on both desktop and mobile. Aim for a size that's large enough to catch attention without overwhelming your text. Clear, high-contrast thumbnails tend to perform better, and a concise video title or caption nearby helps set expectations for what viewers will see. That's all it takes. Drag the video block from the left panel, drop it exactly where you want it in the email, click the block, and enter your video URL. With just these actions, your message gets a compelling visual element that encourages clicks and keeps your audience engaged.